First of all, open the terminal and hit the command update your system on KaliLinux machine. After that update is complete, then update process will be start now. Here it is the command. Then command complete is then open the Firefox and search it APK in Go in GitHub. It is a GitHub tool I will be used to APK Analysis. Here it is the first link. I will be click it and open this tool. After that it is the scroll down. Here it is the app. Its name is GoLong. And scroll down, here it is the install processing. It is to designed by Go language to used on developed by this tool. Here it is the interface on this tool. All processing is been shown how to use on how about this future on this tool. Now I will be install on this tool on my system. Then copy it and again open the terminal and paste it. The terminal has been shown the Go language not installed on our KaliLinux system. So I will be copy this command and paste it and hit enter. Y for yes to execute this command. After that process will be complete, then again copy this link and go log install it. After that process will be complete, then again go to the browser and copy this link and paste it. The process will be complete, then go to this directory where it is the tool in install on Go library. And I will be execute this command APK go in -h for help on this tool and go to this browser. It is the execute process will be step by step in this system and open the new tab. I will be searching Telegram. My first analysis APK is Telegram application. So I will be type it telegram.apk. Here it is the Telegram website. I will be go there and download the APK. The download process has been completed. Then I will be go to their directory and cut it and paste the desktop directory. Here it is the again I executed on this command and type -apk and drag and drop my application. Here it is some error to not API on used on this tool. The application many more permission and executable command has been shown. Here it is the permission. The package name also Telegram. The all about this application will be do is visualization. Here it is the hash value on this tool, the permission, the collecting, receiving, the map services and location, also collecting the telegram company, the data synchronization also here, the microphone service has been executed hidden and camera also, all everything most the permission will be executed on this APK. This tool will be show it. Here it is the metadata, here it is the API on this tool, the serial number, and also show it this tool the country and organization and everything, the location, provider, organization, many more, the data will be show it. I have to also download the Facebook APKs to analysis on the tool. Here it is the first website, I will be go there and download it. After that download, then again I'll be this directory to cut to move on the desktop directory and paste it. Again execute this command to analyze this application. And executed it. Hit enter. Here it is the Facebook metadata collection. Also the information have to collect it on our devices. The Facebook corporation, application and package name also show it. Here it is the permission, this app permission also, all everything. Here it is. Here it is the metadata, all everything package that collecting on this tool on our devices. Here it is the show it. Again the country, American state, this package is be registered on this country, and it also the provided all show packages, how to collecting the data.